Hey guys, welcome back. If your car already supports wired CarPlay or Android Auto, but you wish it could do a lot more, then you're going to love this upgrade. Today we're checking out the MMB MAX Android 15 AI box, a compact device that can completely transform your factory infotainment system into a powerful Android-powered multimedia center. And honestly, it's one of the most impressive car gadgets we've seen recently. The first thing that makes this device stand out is its 3-in-1 functionality. Not only does it support wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, but it also runs a complete Android 15 operating system. That means your car screen can function almost like a tablet, giving you access to apps, streaming services, navigation, and much more. Performance is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon SM6350 Octa-Core processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. This combination delivers smooth performance for navigation, video streaming, multitasking, and everyday use. One of the biggest benefits is app support. You can install popular applications such as YouTube, Netflix, Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, and many others directly through Android. Instead of relying only on your phone's interface, you can enjoy a full smart ecosystem right on your vehicle's screen. Internet connectivity is also excellent. The AI box supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, as well as a 4G SIM card, allowing you to stay connected even when your phone isn't providing a hotspot. Just insert a SIM card and enjoy online navigation, audio streaming, and video content wherever you go. Another feature I really like is the split screen function. You can run navigation on one side of the display while playing audio, viewing another app, or monitoring additional information on the other side. It's a great way to maximize the available screen space. The unit also includes support for HDMI output, allowing compatible systems to mirror content to additional displays such as rear seat entertainment screens. Storage expansion is available through the built-in microSD card slot, supporting up to 256 GB for extra media and files. Installation couldn't be easier. The MMB MAX uses a true plug-and-play design. Simply connect it to your vehicle's USB port, and within minutes you'll have access to wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a complete Android experience. No modifications, no special tools, and no complicated setup. The system automatically reconnects when you start the vehicle, making day-to-day use seamless and convenient.